Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a chicken zombie and grow a garden. This easy method requires just a few steps and specific items. First, you'll need to collect 3 key ingredients. Then, we'll find the perfect spot in your garden to perform the ritual. Finally, I'll guide you through preparing the area for the transformation. Let's get started on turning your ordinary chicken into something extraordinary. To begin, you'll need to gather 3 essential items. First, find 1 piece of rotten flesh, often dropped by certain nocturnal creatures. Next, secure 1 unit of bone meal, which can be crafted or found in various locations, crucial for its growth properties. Lastly, you'll need 1 feather, easily obtained from any chicken in your coop. These items are the foundation of your chicken zombie. With your ingredients ready, it's time to prepare the ritual site. Choose an open area in your garden, away from other structures or crops. Dig a 3 by 3 square hole in the ground. This specific dimension is important for the ritual's success. Place the 1 unit of bone meal directly in the center of this newly dug area. Make sure the surrounding ground is clear. Now for the exciting part, the transformation. Carefully place one of your regular chickens into the center of the 3 by 3 hole you prepared. Next, add the 1 piece of rotten flesh and the 1 feather directly into the hole with the chicken. After a short moment, you will observe the magical transformation. Your new chicken zombie will soon emerge, ready to roam your garden.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.